The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit revolves around whether XRP is a security or not. The SEC has alleged that XRP is a security and that Ripple has sold it as an unregistered security, violating federal securities laws. Ripple, on the other hand, has argued that XRP is a currency, not a security, and therefore not subject to securities laws. If Ripple wins the lawsuit and XRP is deemed not to be a security, it would provide positive legal clarity for XRP and could potentially increase its adoption and use in the market. This would also remove the regulatory uncertainty surrounding XRP, which has hindered its growth and adoption. However, it is important to note that even if Ripple wins the lawsuit, it does not guarantee that XRP's price will increase. The price of XRP, like any other cryptocurrency or asset, is subject to market forces and speculation. Other factors, such as adoption rates, competition, and technological advancements, can also impact the price of XRP. If Ripple wins the lawsuit, it may also set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies and tokens that are currently facing regulatory uncertainty. It could provide clarity on how to distinguish between a currency and a security, and this may encourage more innovative projects to emerge in the market. On the other hand, if the SEC wins the lawsuit and XRP is deemed a security, it may face significant regulatory hurdles and may even be delisted from exchanges. This would likely cause a drop in its price and hinder its adoption. It is worth noting that the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is still ongoing, and it is difficult to predict its outcome. The case has been complex and has involved multiple motions, rulings, and appeals. It may take several more months or even years before a final ruling is made. In summary, the outcome of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit will have significant implications for the cryptocurrency market, but it is difficult to predict how it will impact the price of XRP. Investors should be cautious and do their research before investing in any asset, including XRP. It is also important to note that the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and digital assets is constantly evolving. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are still grappling with how to regulate these new forms of assets. Therefore, it is possible that even if XRP is deemed not to be a security, regulatory changes could still impact its price and adoption in the future. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid price fluctuations. Therefore, investors should be prepared for the possibility of price swings, regardless of the outcome of the lawsuit or any other regulatory developments. If Ripple were to win the lawsuit, it would likely be because they were successful in convincing the court that XRP is not a security under the Howey test, a legal test used to determine whether an asset is a security or not. In order to pass the Howey test, an asset must meet 4 criteria. 1. It is an investment of money. 2. There is an expectation of profits from the investment. 3. The investment of money is in a common enterprise. 4. Any profits come from the efforts of a promoter or third party. Ripple has argued that XRP does not meet these criteria and therefore should not be considered a security. They have pointed out that XRP is not an investment in Ripple and that buyers of XRP do not have an expectation of profits from Ripple's efforts. They have also argued that XRP is not a share of Ripple's stock and that the buyers of XRP do not have ownership rights or control over the company. If the court were to agree with Ripple's arguments and find that XRP is not a security, it would provide clarity for the cryptocurrency industry and help to establish a legal framework for other digital assets. It would also remove the regulatory uncertainty that has hindered the adoption and growth of XRP. However, it is important to note that the outcome of the lawsuit is still uncertain and there is no guarantee that Ripple will win. The court may disagree with Ripple's arguments and find that XRP is a security, which could have significant implications for Ripple and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The case is complex and involves many legal and technical issues, and it may take several more months or even years before a final ruling is made. In conclusion, the outcome of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is significant for XRP's legal clarity and potential adoption, but it is difficult to predict how it will impact its price in the market.